You guys are amazing. We told you in our bashing video of these two vehicles that if it hit 1,000 likes in the first week, we'd race them at the track. You blew it out of the water. You hit that in the first day, so here we are. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Amelia's taking a nap and Popeye's swabbing the poop decks. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. Guys, check it out. These are nice little budget four-wheel drive, ready to run electric vehicles. We think we know which one is going to perform a little bit better, but we're not totally sure about the track. The one that didn't perform in the bashing might actually smoke the other one here. Now, if you missed the bashing video, you should absolutely go check it out. The point we're trying to prove here is that you can have fun in this hobby without spending hundreds of dollars. Maybe you are wanting to try this hobby with your significant other and you think you'd have to spend $300 per vehicle. That's not the case.
Do you all remember when this was a field?
This used to be a cow field.
This used to be a cow field. That's what you're hearing if you do hear it. Isn't that crazy? Look how huge those are. It's crazy. Sorry.
All those maroon pieces are actually one crane.
Well, they just got here within the last week.
It is kind of insane. I have another challenge for you guys, and this time there's a reward for you. If this video of me and Abby racing these around the track hits 1,500 likes in the first week, that's only 1,500 likes, we're gonna do an Amazon gift card giveaway. That means you can spend it on whatever you want. It doesn't even have to be RCs. Maybe you love RCs, but your significant other loves cookies. You could buy a lot of cookies with an Amazon gift card. We're gonna do a $20 gift card giveaway. When we hit that goal, we'll announce how we're gonna do that contest in a future video. But today, Abby's gonna start off with this. It's actually a truggy. We were calling it a monster truck because it kind of looks like a monster truck in the video, the last video we did. Abby's driving this to start today, and I'm going to drive this little buggy, this little sand dune kind of buggy.
Desert buggy.
I like this one a lot. Well, anyway, we might trade off some.
Leave your guesses with who's going to win down below.
And we're also going to put one of our favorite drones in the air for this video. Check this out. Also, I love this case. Guys, if you don't own a good GPS drone yet, any guesses? Any guesses?
Spark.
That is the one to own. Now, yes, it's kind of expensive compared to some other drones, but it's also really cheap compared to some other drones. I think that it's probably the best drone under $500, $400 for what you're going to get there. But also the Hubsan Zeno, in my personal opinion, is right there with it. So longer flight time on the Zeno, kind of controversial, a little bit controversial, although they're both amazing drones. Let's put these vehicles around the track and see who's going to win. Abby, I don't know. This could be anybody's game. This should be a lot of fun. Well, you guys, you know, this is still pretty new to us. Abby and I are not pros at racing at all. The track conditions are getting a little better, although we do have a little bit of grass on the back end there. That's okay. It's just dead, light grass. Abby is the green, I'm going to call it a monster truck, because honestly it looks a little bit like a monster truck.
I'm on the inside of the track.
And hers is a little bit bigger than mine. I'm over here on the outside, the smaller dune buggy, desert buggy. The airplane, the gas airplane just landed.
The drone's in the air.
Drone's in the air, let's do this. I'll let you count it down. 3, 2, 1, go. I may have jumped the gun there. Oh man, you've got way more control over it. Okay, gotta take it easy on this little guy here.
Hold on, does this have rates? Okay,
no.
I'm in the normal mode. It does have rates,
yes,
remember?
It does, yeah. Yeah, they're both in the fastest.
Oh my gosh, I'm spinning out on these curves.
So I'm in a strong lead right now. It did take a second to get used to that. Oh, okay.
Oh my gosh, the turn.
You gotta ease off on that throttle like crazy. Even on the straight stretch, I can't really hold it. Yeah, you got too anxious.
Oh, I got a little ramp.
Okay, this is the last lap. We were just doing 3 laps. That's interesting that you passed me. I'm really honestly surprised. I had such a strong lead. And oh no, Abby, I wiped out. Oh man, you actually won.
I'm upside down.
Oh, good job. Let's see if I can flip you. Wow. So
I am the hyperdrive champion.
Hyperdrive? Oh yeah, that's our show. That's our show. So Abby and I found a new show on Netflix. Oh, it's called Hyperdrive, and man, is it fun to watch. I can't remember if it's totally family friendly.
No, it's not family friendly.
It's not, I guess, language. But otherwise, oh, it's a good show.
All right, are we doing like best 2 out of 30?
One more. Let's do one more, and then we'll switch off cars if the drone still has battery. Sound good?
Okay. Okay.
So I had assumed, I was guessing that your vehicle would perform better.
Yeah.
And you and your vehicle performed better.
Do you have it on the, okay,
Yeah, it's on the fast one. Oh yeah, it's so fast they can't control it, even on the straight stretches.
Maybe you should put it on slow.
I'll count it down this time.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. And I may have jumped the gun a little early there too. Oh, can you see that? How I wiped out really bad on the curve?
You really have to slow down on these turns. Once you told me to slow down on the turns, I
mine, I have to almost go 0 throttle just to get through the curve.
Oh,
Once I get it running straight, I'm okay. Oh, I can't wait to drive yours.
Yeah, I just let go of the throttle pretty much completely on the turns.
You have to, otherwise you just slide out. Okay, I think we're both performing way better on these laps.
Oh no!
Oh yeah,
oh, no.
I'm back in the lead. You just gotta be patient here. This is it. I feel like they're the same speed going full throttle.
Oh no!
Oh my gosh, you won again! Wow. Okay.
You guys are fun on this track.
It actually is, isn't it?
So are we trading?
We're gonna trade.
Right.
Same position. Your vehicle will remain on the inside.
Okay. So I am the little desert buggy on the outside of the track. Nate's the monster truck on the inside.
Again, officially, I think it's a truggy, but it sure looks like a baby monster truck. That's just what I want to call it because those tires.
The body style kind of is what makes it a truggy, I guess,
yeah.
right?
Yep, and that little spoiler on the back.
So I won on the monster truck. So let's see if it's the driver or the vehicle.
That's right. That's right.
All right, ready? 3. Wait, I lost my flip flop. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, I have much more control over this one. Yeah, you're going to find out soon.
That one's faster, I think.
You think so?
Yeah.
These both got a very fresh charge, you guys, before this race. Oh, I just lost myself at the wall there. These are both on 20 minutes ago they got a charge. And
the grass really slows it down.
Apologize for the grass, but beggars can't be choosers. Volunteers mow the airfield, and so someone did blow grass on the track. I'm sure they didn't mean to.
It was probably they did it and then they looked behind them and was like, whoops.
Okay, I won.
Was that 3 already?
3, yeah.
Oh,
Let's do one more while the drone's still in the air. Wow, I rolled.
I feel like the performance was about the same.
So what's interesting is these vehicles cost the same.
Yeah.
So what I would want to do if I was a couple trying to buy RCs to race together, I just get 2 of the same one.
Yeah.
And off-roading the truggy or monster truck performed better, and now even on the track it seems to be performing better.
Yeah.
All right.
You counted down this time.
Spark flight time isn't as long as the Xeno, so 3, 2, 1, go. I was a little delayed on that one.
Oh no, I already peeled out. You're spun out.
Oh, you know what else too? The one that I'm driving now.
Hold on, we got to do hyperdrive sound effects. Where are our glowy balls from?
Nobody knows because it's a new show. It's an early reference.
Oh.
This one comes with an extra battery too. The one that I'm now driving, Abby's. We're calling it Abby's. Now remember, you guys, if this video that you're watching now hits 1,500 likes, that's not that many likes, we're going to do an Amazon gift card giveaway in a future video. All you have to do is watch. I just got 3 laps.
You know, the one thing I like about the hyperdrive show. Sorry, I interrupted Nate. I'll say what I was going to say in a second.
To get the giveaway, you can, when this hits 1,500 likes, we're going to announce in a future video how to enter to win that gift
card. Put me over, I'm right there.
I don't know if I have enough power to get in through that grass. Little baby thing here.
You're probably going to get stuck.
All right, what do you like about that hyperdrive show?
Is that all the vehicles are different. They're all built different. They're meant to do different things.
I like that too.
So, if that was our YouTube channel, commenters would kill us. But honestly, it's fun to see different types of vehicles competing against each other.
I like pitting you never know how it's going to perform. Some people get mad that the Traxxas Slash 2-wheel drive is versus the Arrma Typhon 4-wheel drive. Well, but they're the same price, and you never know. The Typhon clearly had better traction control around the corners, and the Slash seemed to have higher top speed. So, whatever kind of floats your boat, depends what track you're racing on.
And what you like more.
That's right. We're not here to push one thing over another. We just want to show you guys how they perform, and the stuff is fun. This hobby is fun unless you make it not that way. We've seen a lot of people on our YouTube channel over the years, including people with channels, make it super unfun And that has never been our goal from day one. We just want you guys to enjoy the hobby. We're doing our best to steer you in the right direction, to show you products that are good. We will say if something is good or bad, but generally speaking, if something's in the same price point, you know, we like to let you decide what you like more than the other thing. In this case though, I think it's pretty obvious the Truggy is better, right?
Yeah.
I think it just performs way better.
The buggy lays dead in the grass.
Although I like how the buggy looks more.
Yeah, I do
honestly
too.
do.
Yep.
Well guys, let us know if you like having the drone in the air. Hey buddy, hey Spark. We keep going back and forth between the Spark and the Xeno, And today we just said, you know what, we can charge the Spark a little faster, we don't have as much time. That's going to be what gets thrown in the air. But they both look great, they both perform amazing. So,
oh, I hear it, it's landing.
okay, good, well that's fine. We should land right on the helipad out there. Guys, remember, 1,500 likes and we're going to do an Amazon gift card giveaway. We're keeping an eye on the drone. Oh, it's going straight down in the grass. That's okay, that's okay. Let us know which of these you like better in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye! Oh, that was too high pitched. Bye!